Welcome to the Soapy Biz. Here's another 3-ingredient simple recipe. Let's make lavender flower soap that brings mom peace and love that they truly deserve. What you need is your goat milk, which nourishes and moisturizes the skin, lavender oil, calms your mind and soothes your skin, lavender buds, gently exfoliates and adds a calming touch. Now what we're going to do is start with the goat milk. We have pre-cut 4 ounces, okay? You are going to need the mold, of course. And then you're going to need the lavender essential oil and lavender buds. Then, of course, the alcohol for at the end. So, let's start. First, I'm going to cut the 4 ounces up into cubes. And then you're going to put all of that soap in a microwavable bowl. And it's going to go on for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to add in the lavender essential oil. You can use 5 to 10 drops. So we're going to use probably 10 drops of the lavender essential oil. Okay. And then we're going to stir. Okay, so after stirring and putting your oil in, we're going to pour it into the mold. Again, look at the beautiful mold that we have for Mother's Day or for any day. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take the lavender buds and you're going to sprinkle as many as you want on top. Okay, looks like we should have enough on top, I would think. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to take the alcohol and spray just to keep the bubbles out. And there you have it, a beautiful flower soap for Mom for Mother's Day. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.